Pieter Cornelis Mondriaan is born in Amersfoort, the Netherlands, in 1872. He studies to become an art teacher and later attends art college to learn how to paint. He starts with delicate landscapes, but under the influence of Van Gogh, our hero goes out at night to capture more stylized images and to dance. Over time, his work becomes more abstract. Piet is no longer interested in depicting reality, but the essence behind it. His painting style goes back to basics, horizontals and verticals in primary colors. A painting doesn't need to represent anything. It has to make you feel something. In the aftermath of the First World War, the style of neoplasticism, a Dutch artistic movement, picks up. Mondriaan joins the movement from his Paris studio, where he covers the walls in colored cardboard to experiment with colors and dimensions. In 1940 he moves to New York, but shortly after completing Victory Boogie Woogie he dies of pneumonia, aged 71. His influence on art can be found everywhere to this day.